Dear students, today we will start chapter 3, that is the Muamuriya rebellion. And this Muamuriya rebellion, it was a very important socio-economic and political episode in the history of Assam. And this rebellion, it started during the Ahom ruler Swargadev Lakshmi Sinha, and it continued to disturb the political and social life of Assam for a very long time, till the time of the Burmese invasion. Okay, this rebellion disrupted the reign of several kings. Now, before starting, let us know about who are the Muamuriyas. Now, this Muamuriya, the word Muamuriya, it has originated from the word Mayamara. And Mayamara was the name of a Vaishnava Satra. Okay, Satras are what? Religious and cultural organization. And with this Vaishnava religion was preached by Sankardeva. And among these Vaishnavas, only they had some Satras where religions and political organizations were held. Now, the people belonging to the Moran tribe, they were the disciples of this Satra. Morans were a very low caste people, very low class tribe, and they belonged to this Satras. The Vaishnava Satras were religious and cultural organization, and this grew up for what purpose? In order to spread and preach the new Vaishnava religion, which was preached by Sankardeva and Madhavdev. But what had happened after the death of Sankardev? Some disagreement rose up and fighting grew up among the disciples of the Satras. As a result of what? What had happened? There was division, and which was called this is called the Satriya movement. And as a result of that, what had happened? These Satras were divided into 4 Sanghotis. And these 4 divisions were what? Brahma, Purush, Kal and Nika. And Mayamara Satra was within the fold of the Kal Sanghoti. Among these 4 divisions, Mayamara is one of the division of this 4 Sanghotis. Now, apart from the Moran, this Satra gained popularity among other tribes also, like the Kacharis, Chutia, Ahom and Kaibarta. Now, what is the main reason for the popularity of this Satra is that the Satradikars of this Satra belong to the Sutra caste, low caste. In the prevailing social setup, these tribal people were looked down as inferior. During that time, in the society, these tribal peoples were looked down as a very inferior class in the society. And so, when they found these Satras, all peoples were taken as a member. So that is why they liked these Satras and began to join the Satra. In the Mayamara Satra, which was run by the Sudra Satradikar, he was referred as Mahanta. These people found a special dignity, and because of this, there was a large number of disciples joining the Satra. The increasing strength in the number of disciples and their unquestionable devotion to the Guru were factors that contributed to the rise in the powers and position of not only the Satra but also the Mahantas also. Later on, what had happened? It was the only natural that this rising power of the Satra led to the clash with the Ahom royal power. As a result of this rising power of the Satra, what had happened? There was a clash with the Ahom royal power. And the result of this clash was the longest rebellion in the history of Assam, which is known as the Muamuriya rebellion. And this rebellion is also called as a mass rebellion. Why? Because in this rebellion, innumerable common people took part, and these common people were either simple peasants and other professionals. So one thing that has become clear from the above discussion is that the Muammariyah rebellion was primarily a rebellion of the subject. Understood? It was a rebellion of what? Of the common people, and it was on mainly against the Ahom royal power. Okay, so this is about who were the Muammariyas and how these Satras grew up. Okay, next we will do in our next class causes of the Muammariyah rebellion. So let us keep it here up till here only. You will go through it properly what we have done today.